Thank you. Thank you po. Bless, bless, bless.
Now gathering for our opening prayer. And si Lola Ramos. Prayer.
Ang lahat ay aming itinataas sa iyong matamis na pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Then kasama palakpak at hindi mas masaya. Everyone, 1, 2, yes! Alright, and now guys, everyone shout, Happy birthday, Samu! And 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, number 10. 1, 2, 3, blow! Everyone, come again! Maraming salamat po. Tatlo sila dito. Alright. Yes! Dance like a fish! Dance like a monkey! 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 Eh, ibang monkey, mga kangaroo na yun eh. Okay. 3! Alright! Okay. That's 1! 2! 3! Alright, 3 and... Alright, 3. Yes, everyone, palakpakan naman natin. Yes, alright, and now 1. Yes, alright. 2. Yes, 1. Yes! One more. Yeah, all of them there, yeah. Oh! Ayan, whitening merong answer. Ayan, pampapunta. Yes, 2. Last one! Come on! Wait a minute, come on, let's go! Pindahan lang, sir. Yung bata, wala kong maalala, pindahan. Okay! 1, 2, 3! Talaga mga match ko. Yes, one! Drugs. Everyone, palawan natin ang 2, 3. Mega Salon Package! And, ayan. Meron po kayo. Okay, next message to lang po.
Birthday, Samu. May you grow up to be a very good person. Continue your passion in playing the piano. So happy birthday and may God bless you more every day.
John Samuel, may God bless you with good health, happiness, and a future filled with love, joy, and countless blessings. We love you from Maxi and Maxi. Portia.
Okay, message mo ate.
Happy birthday, Samu. Hope you grow up to be an independent child and sana maging walang makeup.
How are you? Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, happy birthday.
palakpakan naman.
Happy birthday, Kuya Sako. May all of your hopes and dreams come true. Love, Tito Art, Ninong Art.
Yes, everyone, palakpakan naman natin. Dito.
Happy 7th birthday, and sana maging curious ka pa sa everything about science and all. So I hope na lumaki kang graced by God, at syempre maging masunurin sa iyong mga parents. At isa mo.
Enough. Salangin yes, Apa sudah yes, correct, and one to the left spot. Golden is correct.
Next song is Galaxy to Class.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin, guys.
Next song is Area of Love.
Everyone, palakpakan naman natin for our third set.
Somebody scary. Next song, On to Joy.
sa taas, and Candy. Wag mo yun. Sige, sige, dali, natin yan, natin yan. Alright, and walk. Happy birthday, Samuel, and 1, 2, 3, count! Yes! Ang mga birthday, palakpakan naman yan.
Thank you so much kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin ng daddy mo and you're our greatest blessing. Sana lumaki kang humble, God-fearing, always put God in the first and then always love your family. Let's always take care of each other. Be vigilant. Lagi na sinasabi yan. So, lagi maging safe. Kasi malulungkot siya kapag nasaktan or nakaharap kami. So, anak, always pray. And we're always here to support you, to guide you. And whatever na kung ano ang plans mo sa buhay, dito kami ni Daddy mo.
Pag yung pangarap mo na maging greatest pianist. Actually, maraming mga skills kaming tinatry man lang kay Samo. And nagulat kami na yung piano yung nakita namin nag-excel siya. Nagtatry siya mag-football pero parang wala siya. Walang skills siya. Then, nag-try din siya mag-swimming. Pero sabi niya kaya daw yung ma-stress pag birthday niya kaya hindi namin natuloy. Pero yun, sana mahanap mo yung gusto mong gawin and maging successful ka. Yun lang.
Yes, everyone. Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Alright, and then once again, by the way, my name is Sir Gavin, the younger host and magician. Maraming salamat po. See you. God bless. Ingat sa pag-uwi. Happy nights, everyone. Alright, everyone.